You are walking a blessed path. Pay attention to the signs around you.
This mudra has proven to be highly effective in fulfilling wishes, creating abundance, and attracting prosperity. Regular practice of this mudra not only grants inner calm but also bolsters self-confidence. The mudra in question is the topic of our discussion. I will not only elucidate its profound significance, but also provide guidance on its practical application through a simple yet potent exercise.
Derived from Sanskrit, the term mudra translates to seal. This meaning underscores the mudra's purpose, to seal the flow of energy channeled through specific hand positions. It's fascinating that over 2,000 years ago, a mudra, now popular as the Atmanhalli, was prohibited due to its pagan connotations during Christianity's early days. However, it has resurfaced over time and is now a widely employed gesture worldwide. The Atmanhalli, known as the mudra of pure and unconditional love, forms a circuit through the union of both hands, channeling energy from the heart chakra. This unites us with the force of love while symbolizing balance between feminine and masculine energies, yin and yang, and the brain's left and right hemispheres. Now, let's delve into the mudra I intend for you to practice, which can attract remarkable abundance. It's called the Kubera Mudra. To perform it, touch the tip of your thumb to the tips of your middle and index fingers, keeping the other fingers folded inside your hand. The orientation of your fingers is flexible, depending on your comfort. Also referred to as the three fingers technique, the Kubera Mudra can be applied anytime, irrespective of temporal factors. Its primary application includes locating specific objects, parking spaces, suitable books, needed money, and more. It's also employed to enhance skills in various work areas. When passionately engaged in an endeavor, this mudra significantly empowers your efforts. Personally, I've employed this technique to great effect at the start of my day. Here's how. Upon awakening, while in the state between slumber and wakefulness, I assume a comfortable position on my back in bed. I position both hands in the mudra formation in front of me, then close my eyes and visualize a golden sphere between my arms. Within this sphere, I picture my desire already fulfilled. This could be visualized as a movie scene or a single image, akin to a photograph capturing that unique moment. Subsequently, I envision the sphere ascending, passing through the ceiling, and soaring high into the sky. As it dissipates, carried by the wind, I open my eyes and release my hands. I recommend focusing on one desire and practicing this exercise for 11 consecutive days, followed by a week's pause. If desired, you can resume with another intention. Remember, this mudra can be adapted to your needs. I'm presenting an option with profound significance, particularly for significant goals. I eagerly await your comments. Until next time.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.